Algorand is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that sort of has a truly present worth of $0.235709 and a market capitalization of $1,886,816,166, which generally is genuinely critical. Digital currencies have truly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in an extremely significant manner. Some huge venture banks in any event generally procure Algorand and really other digital currencies all at once to fundamentally safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and really long-haul expectation of the improvements on the algo market that truly depend on the readings of our exceptionally one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that explicitly assists us with measuring the market opinion and in every practical sense. Expect where in which the market means to go in a by and large enormous manner especially. At this point, the cost of Algorand explicitly is $0.235709, while the coin as of now ends up at 40th spot in the sort of generally speaking positioning, which generally is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients really get the most important information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in a kind of huge way. It's likewise essential to especially consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unobtrusive manner. On December 22, the cost of Algorand generally was at $0.223143 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change most certainly added up to 2.41% in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on December 16, Algo sort of was esteemed at $0.195908, which essentially intends that from that point forward, the cost for the most part is varied by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on November 23, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.132347. Subsequently, the coin fundamentally has taken a 78.10% action to essentially arrive at its truly present standings, or so they in a real sense thought. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main genuinely factor that we by and large consider while making the cost expectation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It's likewise vital to basically keep a truly sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to for the most part have a by and large clear perspective on where the market truly is going, which is very critical. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys really equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors, which basically is very huge. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to generally decide the in every practical sense, by and large position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an unobtrusive way. Changes in market capitalization essentially certain or sort of negative sort of are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resources really potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both fundamentally short and kind of long-haul points of view in a quite enormous manner. This in every practical sense, specific pretty measurement fundamentally is likewise used to check the predominance of Algorand, comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which generally is genuinely critical. To generally decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of Algo, we increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will sort of be especially made sense of later by the all things considered present worth of the cryptographic money under audit, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand truly remains at $1,886,816,166, which frames the reason for truly present kind of positioning in every practical sense, was referenced prior in an unobtrusive way. Yesterday, on December 22, Algo really had a market capitalization of $1,786,836. Keep going week, on December 16, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $1,568,568,893, which explicitly is very huge. A month prior, on November 23, the market worth of Algorand basically was evaluated to generally be $1,059,582,171 in an especially significant manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that essentially have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining in an unobtrusive way. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, or so. This truly metric likewise considers the coins that certainly have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which basically is applied to control the expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the genuinely complete stockpile of Algorand truly is laid out at 800,438,402 Algo, which by and large is genuinely critical. Finally, the flowing stockpile explicitly is utilized to sort of work out the market capitalization and truly evaluate the coins genuinely current remaining in the positions in an unobtrusive way. It means the essentially generally measure of algo that especially is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which is very critical. It's by and large fundamentally accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million in every practical sense are the most appropriate for commonly long-haul venture, since they are generally commonly prone to sort of value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Algorand fundamentally has a flowing stockpile of 800,438,402 coins, or so they especially thought. Over the by and large beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the mark of $152,752,918, which especially is very critical. Yesterday, on December 22, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame for the most part remained at $156,772,178, showing it to decide the by and large current market capitalization of Algo with entirely the circling supply, the boundary that will generally be somewhat made sense of later. By the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on December 16, how much algo that most certainly was traded between market members was assessed at $95,197,135 in a significant manner. Presently especially comes an opportunity to in a real sense make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost forecast model that permits us to for the most part predict the way that Algorand will truly follow over the extremely next 1 to 5 years in an unpretentious manner. CVIX truly is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming engineers that surfaced with a kind of exceptional equation for measuring and imagining the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to truly convey the best Algorand cost expectation in the business, or so they essentially thought.